this beautiful place. It's Madhunagala Buddhist Monastery. It's a sanctuary as well. It's located in the dry zone. Normally it doesn't rain, but luckily the day we went, it has been raining for few weeks and it looked beautiful. And this is not somewhere that a lot of people go. Devotees, maybe followers, go to give alms to the monks who live there. But we just went to see this beauty. See this amazing greenery. It was mesmerizing. In a way, it's a great that a lot of people don't go to these places, because what people do is they destroy nature, right?